Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, you'll learn how to speak English at a shoe store. We will practice speaking with useful phrases, conversations, and real-life vocabulary. Just listen and repeat after me. Let's begin. Let's go shopping for shoes in English. Section 1. Basic shoe vocabulary. Let's learn some useful vocabulary before shopping. Shoes, slippers, sneakers, boots, sandals, heels, sports shoes. Shoe size. Tight, loose, comfortable color. Brand, try on. Fit, cash counter. Discount, sale, changing room. Now let's move to useful phrases. Section 2. Useful phrases for shoe shopping. Repeat after me the following phrases. I'm looking for shoes. Do you have this in my size? What's your shoe size? I wear size 8. Can I try these on? Do you have this in black? I'm just looking. These are too tight. Do you have a larger size? Do you have a different color? These are perfect. I'll take these. Where can I pay? Is there any discount? Can I return them if they don't fit? What is your return policy? Thank you for your help. Now let's practice with real conversations. Section 3. Customer and shop assistant conversation. Let's listen to a full conversation. Shop assistant, hello. Welcome. How can I help you? Customer, hi. I'm looking for a pair of sports shoes. Shop assistant, sure. What's your size? Customer, I wear size 8. Shop assistant, please try these. Customer, these feel a bit tight. Shop assistant, let me bring a larger size. Customer, thank you. Shop assistant, here's size 9. Customer, these fit well. Do you have these in black? Shop assistant, yes, here you go. Customer, great. I'll take the black ones. Shop assistant, would you like to pay by card or cash? Customer, card, please. Shop assistant, all done. Thank you for shopping with us. Customer, thank you. Have a nice day. Now repeat after me slowly. Hi, I'm looking for sports shoes. I wear size 8. These are too tight. Do you have a larger size? I'll take these. Where do I pay? Thank you. Great. Let's practice more. Section 4. Shoe Store Role Play Practice. Now you will practice speaking English like you are in a shoe store. I will be the shop assistant. You will be the customer. Let's begin. Shop assistant, hello. Welcome. You. Shop assistant, what are you looking for? You. Shop assistant, what size do you wear? You. Shop assistant, here's a pair of shoes. Try them on. You. Shop assistant, do they fit well? You. Shop assistant, would you like another color? You. Shop assistant, great. You can pay at the counter. You. Good job. Let's try another round. Shop assistant, hello. Can I help you? You. Shop assistant, are you looking for something specific? You. Shop assistant, we have a sale today. You. Shop assistant, these are the new arrivals. You. Shop assistant, they look great on you. You. Shop assistant, would you like to buy them? You. Shop assistant, thank you for visiting. You. Practice this again using your own words. Section 5. Listening and repeating full sentences. Now listen and repeat these full useful sentences. I'm just looking, thank you. Can I see these shoes in a bigger size? Do you have any discounts? I need comfortable shoes for walking. These are very stylish. How much do they cost? I love this design. Do you accept credit cards? Are these waterproof? Do you have this in red? Perfect. Keep going. Section 6. Final review or practice. Let's review everything. You learn vocabulary like shoes, boots, sneakers, sandals, size, fit, try on, and more. You practiced useful phrases like, I'm looking for shoes. Can I try these on? I'll take these. You practiced conversations and role plays. Now, you are ready to shop confidently in English at a shoe store. Repeat every day to improve your fluency. Thank you for practicing with Easy English Daily. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Tell us in the comments what topic you want next. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep speaking English confidently.